Hi students, now we learn third science, lesson 1, living and non-living thing. Topic is living things reproduce and die. So let's learn the previous session question answer. The question 1 is that name 5 sense organs of human being. The answer is 1 eyes, second nose, third ear, 4 skin and 5 is the tongue. Second question is that many plants shed their leaves in autumn and bear flowers in the spring. Third is that plant stem grows toward the sunlight. Correct your answer and note down. Then now we learn today reproduction. So what is in the reproduction? So you can see that reproduction is the process by which a living thing produces another living things like themselves. Okay, so you can understand that here is a mummy elephant is the living thing and which produces the another baby elephant. So that is like herself. So this process is called reproduction. So in the reproduction, living thing produces another new living things like themselves. So you know that all living things reproduce. All living things reproduce and give birth to the young ones, similar to themselves. For example, if you see that human beings give birth the babies that is similar to themselves. Cats give birth to the kittens, they are similar to as their parent means cats. And here you can see the cow. Cow give birth to the cows. So these cows also similar to the mother, black and white spot on that. Understand? So like that, it is the hens. Hens first lay the eggs, and after 20 days, it can gives out the chicken. So these chickens and hens are similar to each other. So it is clear that a living thing which produces another living things like themselves. So this is called reproduction. So like animals, humans, plants also give rise to the new plants or produce the new plant. So plant can also reproduce new plant from the seeds, from the roots, from the stems, and the last one is that leaves. So plant give rise to a new plant from seeds, second roots, third stems, and fourth is the leaves. The next topic is that next feature of living thing that all living things die. You know that all living things grow and finally dies someday. For example, you can see that we have our grandfather, grandmother. So some are very old. When they old, their organ become weak and they die. So every living thing has a fixed lifespan. For example, human being can survive 60 to 70 years. Then dog can survive 20 years. So like that, every human being has the fixed lifespan or fixed time of life. So during that life, it will grow and die. So you can see that it is a dead animal and it is a dead banyan tree. So lifespan is different for each and every living thing. So every living thing has different lifespan. For example, lion, donkey, tiger, cow, buffalo, hen, mosquito, butterfly. Every living thing has a different lifespan or life of years. Lifespan means life of year means how many years he or she or they will be survive. What is the lifespan? Learn the definition of lifespan. The length of time for which a person or animal's life, the length or the year of time for which a person or animal's lives or things function. So it is called lifespan. Okay, so you can see the lifespan of banyan tree is about 300 to 400 years. After 300 to 400 years, it will die. And butterfly, which has short lifespan, so butterfly dies in 1 or 2 weeks. So we can simply understand that butterfly can be die in 1 or 2 weeks, but banyan tree dies in 300 to 400 years. Okay, so in this way we learn about the reproduction and lifespan. So the first point, let's check out, it's time to answer. So let's see, can we answer or not? The question one state true or false. All living things reproduce. What is the answer? Answer is true because all living things reproduce. Okay, it's the right answer. Next question is that only animals die when they grow old. So it is a wrong because plants also die when they grow. So it is the false. Okay, remember it. Huh? Only animals die? No, no. Plants also die. Third, plants and animals can make their own food. So is it right? No, it's a false, because plants have chlorophyll. That's why plants can make the food. Animals cannot make their food. They eat the plants or other animal for their food. And the last question is that different animals have different organ for breathing. So we learn that there are different types of animals like a fish, frog, humans, plants. So they have different organ of breathing. So it is the absolutely right. So we'll write here true. So in this way we can understand that all living thing reproduce. That is true. Only animals die when they grow old. That's a false. Plants also die. Plants and animals can make their own food. This is also false, because only plant can make their food. And last is that different animals have different organ for breathing. It is also absolutely right, because different animals have different organ for breathing. You studied in the previous sessions. So now today's our last learning at home session. So these are the question you learn at home. The question one is that what is reproduction? Write the definition of reproduction. Second, plant give rise to a new plant from dash, comma dash, comma dash and dash. Last third question is that banyan tree dies about dash dash years from where is the butterfly dies in dash dash years. Okay, learn it and write it.